question, where do you find your marine pros?
All over. Generally the best way to find great marine pros is to talk to other great marine pros, because
Yeah.
they're not going to recommend somebody who's going to make them look bad. So once we had our initial cohort of pros that were in our network, we found that they said, well, do you need somebody else? Or they would tell their friends, hey, I'm getting a lot of new business from Boatyard. Maybe you should give them a try. And they would come to us. And so that's been one way. And then obviously we've got some other resources, industry resources, where we look for businesses that have been in business for many years, that are properly insured, that have a track record.
Right.
People we try to covet to join our network.
All right. So these are fully vetted marine pros. Like you've done your research, and I can rely on Boatyard to make sure they're suggesting someone who's credible, insured was a keyword there.
Yep.
That's correct. And in addition to all of that, we collect reviews after orders. So, in the off chance someone doesn't have the best experience with somebody, we know right away. We make sure it's made right. And, if we have to not work with somebody, we wouldn't do it.